no severe weather across South Florida, and much needed rainfall tonight. We ran a rainfall deficit in the last 6 weeks, a couple inches below normal. So any rainfall that we pick up is adding to those deficit numbers, which is nice. We'll pick up some more tomorrow. We just don't need severe weather, and there is the threat. So weather alert day is in effect for tomorrow afternoon and early evening. The timing right at this point appears to be from about the noon hour into late afternoon, early evening. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast. Should be a pretty good drive to work, although it will cloud over quickly. If you have outdoor plans, make it earlier rather than later. We get all that heat and humidity in the afternoon. Not quite as hot as today. We set a new record high, but we will get into the mid-80s, and showers and storms fire up and spread across all of South Florida during the day. They should be done by, definitely this time tomorrow night. As I said, we set a record high today at 93 degrees. That breaks the old record that was set 30 years ago at 91. Here are the threats for tomorrow afternoon. Starting in the noon hour, lightning, numerous lightning strikes. Tornado threat should be low. Wind could be an issue in some of the stronger storms. We have a pretty strong jet stream pattern that is setting up for a situation that any storms that do develop, some of those gusty winds aloft could reach to the surface and do some damage. So we'll watch for that. So severe storms possible starting from noon through the late afternoon. Damaging winds, small hail, and heavy rain. We saw tremendous amounts of rainfall early today around Miami and Lauderdale, and that caused some flood advisories. The same situation possible here into tomorrow. There's 6 in the morning. Great, but here comes the showers and storms. Almost all our computer models are really firing up strong, potentially severe weather for tomorrow afternoon. There are actually 2 fronts on the way. The first front moves through late in the day, but ahead of that front, very strong, nasty storms rolling through and hot weather once again. That front swings through. A second front kind of reinforces cooler, drier air as we get into Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Here are daytime highs. We're looking at about 84 tomorrow and then 82 for Thursday. Below normal temperatures into the weekend, and quite a bit less humidity too. Should be nice. Wave heights running 2 to 3 feet. Boating conditions tomorrow obviously dependent on the strong storms that develop. Try to get out earlier rather than later. Seas 2 to 4. 72 overnight. Slow clearing. Very humid. Patchy fog possible around the lake. Clouding over quickly with strong, potentially severe storms tomorrow. And then the 7-day forecast looking at brighter weather and cooler weather right into the weekend. Of course, Glenn and Felicia back in the morning with the latest. Back after the break.